prove that root 2 is irrational number. To prove this number as irrational number, what we have to take? We have to assume that the given number is rational number. If it is rational number, in that case, we must be able to convert the root 2 in P upon Q form. Now, suppose there are two possibilities. P and Q may have a common factor or may not have a common factor. Suppose P and Q have a common factor other than 1. If we divide both, we'll get some other ratio. We'll get some other ratio A upon B. Okay, so we got another ratio root 2 is equal to A upon B with the help of common factor. Okay, now we got root 2 is equal to A upon B. That means now A and B are co-prime. Means they have only one as a common factor. So the condition root 2 is equal to A upon B becomes root 2B is equal to A. Squaring the equation, we get 2B square is equal to A square. Means in this, when we shift 2 to the right side, we get B square is equal to A square upon 2. That means 2 divides A square. That means 2 divides A square. And if 2 divides A square, it should divide A as well. Now we can write that A is equal to 2C. If A is being divided by 2, that means we are getting some other integer, some other multiplier with 2. That's why we can write A is equal to 2C for some integer C. Now substitute this value A is equal to 2C in the given equation. 2B square is equal to A square. In the previous equation, we can substitute this value A is equal to 2C. In the equation 2B square is equal to A square. This was the equation where we wrote 2B square is equal to A square. Now we have substituted the value of A. In this equation, we got 2B square is equal to 2C square. Again, 2B square is equal to, it becomes 4C square. By dividing 2, we get B square is equal to 2C square. Now this means that this B square is getting divided by 2. If B square is getting divided by 2, that means B is also gets divided by 2. So 2 divides B as well. Therefore, A and B have at least 2 as common factor. But this contradicts the fact that A and B have no common factors. Okay, we have assumed root 2 is equal to A upon B, and which doesn't have any common factor. But now we found that 2 divides B as well. Therefore, A and B have at least 2 as a common factor. This is a contradiction, and hence we can say that our assumption is wrong and root 2 cannot be a rational number.